Fill a mason jar at least 1/4 cup with your desired flower. I'm using jasmine. For jasmine, you want to make sure that you're not getting any of the white liquid, so I'm picking it straight from the flower. Some will even just come off. You can also use gardenia, rose, or any other floral beautiful scent that you would like. Now cover with your choice of liquid. I'm using a jojoba oil. You can also use a coconut oil until the flowers are covered. You can see coconut oil will solidify under 72 degrees. So I'm leaving it out in the sun, and that kind of tells you the temperature for today. I want it to liquefy, so keep it someplace in your house or outside where it can stay liquid. These are being infused with gardenias. This is calendula flower being infused with olive oil. I've left this over a month and it's ready to either be used directly on the skin, or you can create some salve and make a nicer texture. Whatever you've created, make sure you store in a nice area. Most people say a dark place. Again, unless it's the coconut and it needs the natural heat. So I'm going to let this jasmine sit there for maybe a week and test the smell. I can add more flowers, or I can let infuse up to a month or two. And this is last year's batch here, the jasmine jojoba oil. That's all that's in there. I always do a skin check, so making sure that your skin feels good with that concoction, and you can always mix these together. Enjoy.